Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, this is going to be the third part of this video. I can say third, or I should say fourth part of this video. In this video, I'm going to let the player one or the first player to choose which character does he want to represent his tiles on the table on the board. So how we're going to do that? Just basically simple. We're going to let me comment this guy out. We don't do it as of now. Let me come down. So what I'm going to do, just to create variable, can say PLY, which is stand for player one. It's just going to give it empty string. For player two, I want to give it empty string. This I want to do that because I'm going to change the values here. So I'm going to create a while loop. I'm going to explain why I created a while loop. Let's say while true. The reason why I created this while because there's a situation that some player can be a little bit funny. They might tell them to play to choose between X or O. They might decide to pick the one they might decide to pick Z because it can be funny at times. So this while loop, I'm going to let's write it down. Then I'm going to explain it more. So let's get a very PLY. I can say input. I'm going to explain all this. Now let me just type it down first. Say player. I want to select between X or I can say let's S O. I can say X or to make a little bit sense. So let me. What I do here, I just let the player want to select the word character I want, whether if it's X or O. So I need anything that the player want enter to be turned to upper. The reason is simple because in a situation, because we know what we are dealing with here is capital letter X and capital letter O. So in a situation, the player might decide to enter small letter, so I need to turn it to upper letter. So I can say if the PLY, what the player entered is equals to that of X. If it's small letter, it's going to automatically be converted to capital letter. I can say that of player one, what the player one entered is going to be X. And then player two, and it's going to be automatically if player one is X. I don't see this why player two is going to be X again. So let me copy this. This way I copy this is just simple. In a situation whereby player one decide to pick O. So I'm going to do the one for O. So if what the player one entered is O, so we want the player one to be O, and that automatically player two is going to be X. Now let's go back to the reason why. Okay, let me create an else statement. The statement is going to handle it in case if none of these were able to work. So the else statement I can say print. I can let them know that maybe they messed up. Okay, sir. I can let them any player that know that player one know is messed up, we should put the right character. I can say please enter the proper selection, which is going to be that of X or our O. So this is going to happen. I'm going to prompt a player which is directly referring to that of player one to enter between X or O. And then since we're dealing with capital letter here, our X is capital letter like that. You can look at, and that's our board. Okay. We changed it in another video. We're dealing with capital letter X and that of capital letter O. And you're going to turn it to upper. So if you want the player entered is equals to X, so we're going to change this variable here, PL1 to X, and that of PL2 to 0. If it's O, PL1 is going to be 0, and then PL2 is going to be X. In case of they decide to play something else funny, the player one decide to select something else that is not our condition, we're going to let him know that what he entered is not part of our condition. Enter the proper selection. And for this of Y true, then I put this Y true in case the player decided to be funny at times to enter the wrong thing that is not part of our game plan. So this Y true keep on iterating, keep on running till he enter the right thing. And when he enter the right thing, it can be this or this. And then when he's done entering it, we need to break the loop by saying break. The same thing applicable to here. Break. So if it's O, we want O. If it's X, we want X. Anything apart from that, we don't want. Okay, let's run and see that. And see player one select between X or O. As I put X small letter, can see successful. But let's say in a case I said to put something else funny. Let's say PP. Can see you keep on telling please enter the proper selection. I enter C. keep on prompting to keep on enter the right selection till I enter either O or let's say enter O. You can see the this thing got run successfully. So that's basically what I want us to do in this video. Let the players select what they where they want to the player wants to select it, because it's going to be the first to play. So you want to choose whether you want to be X or O. So this should be it for this video. There's anything I didn't cover in this video, please just make sure to let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to explain it properly. So I'll be able to see in the next video. Thank you for watching.